Calabar land, since 1994 to date, I've been the defender of Calabar, the sole defender of Calabar. Let anybody come out. And all Calabar enemies, they carry the scars. The scars are inflicted on them. They know it. I am not bragging. When all Calabar people were running away, nobody, no chairman, apart from the people were Boyle, a woman who stood with us. You know, in the Sanama crisis. Who? When I'm talking, any Calabar person will come and talk. Has Calabar contributed money and given to me before? When people came and attacked us at different places, I turned the rivers. I turned from Briar into blood. For Calabar. Did Calabar person buy one stick for me? Do they even know where I get my money? There was no IYC then. There was nothing. I turned Sombrayo, I turned St. Bartholomew, I turned St. Barnabas, I turned all the rivers into blood for our enemies. And we stop at the pride of Calabar people. They're talking about Imo Road of yesterday. I left them for how many years? Calabar people can no longer travel. They were killing them, catching them like cockroaches. When I'm talking, these useless people will be talking. When they came to our land, hide their face, they will pump their jaw, flogging people. I don't have any personal problem with them. I send my word to them. And I flog them. And they know it. If they start again, I will flog them, I will whip them again. I don't look for people's trouble. Don't look for my trouble. Because I will whip you. Wallahi bi-iznillah, I will whip you. Nnamdi Kanu came running his mouth. Did I not whip him? Am I not giving it to them to everywhere? Don't come and DK or I'm a DK in front of me. Who cares who you are? I'm just an ordinary Alabedian, but I don't care who you are. I don't give a damn who you are. As long as you day your day, I day my day. As long as you stay your day, I stay my day. I stay my stay. As long as you be your be, I be my be. Don't bring your nonsense and mess around me. Don't. Don't bring your nonsense and mess around me. I am as meek as the dove. But when I roar, and when I roar, I move like the elephant. Because that's what I am. I'm Opubela. I'm the son of Bela. I am Opubela. I am Bela. That's the symbol. That's my symbol. I say Diabal. The Prime Minister of the Calabar Nation. They are marketed quickly. Given to me by the whole of Calabar Nation. I didn't beg for it. Because I merit it. It flows in my veins. Now, they claim I brought native doctors. Those boys are not even native doctors. They are not, you know. But the spoken word man transform and manifest into reality. I saw these boys who are buying Ogele. I saw them. About 13 of them. There are some ladies, 2 ladies. One just gave birth, the other one joy. And they were dancing and doing. And these two people were in front doing the, yeah. I said, you people, you are my, you are my native doctors. So I don't know where they came from. And buluku that I used for my grandfather's 80th anniversary celebration, death celebration. Chief Dictum Bigari, it don't make you. I said, start wearing the buluku. They are not native doctors. They are not even at St. Caraway. They are nothing. They just, people know them now. The other one is from Kolokum. Was he a native doctor in Kolokum? He was a photographer. And that was how they started. They are not native doctors. And as Kalabari chief, you are supposed to have people who sing your aquarium, call you your various nicknames and praises. That is the part of the paraphernalia of a Calabar chief. When he goes out, people stand. If it is amenable, he has people who call him. He has the Bibiaro, he has the Belereme, he has the people who call him, who call his ancestors, who called his family lineage and praise him. That is what, when I became media, I said, you, this young man who were in Abuja, who helped me for 9 months in Abuja, stood, no native doctor, nobody did charm for them. People know them. Aya, you are my this thing. You are my bigger way. You are the people who will be calling my name. It's everywhere. It's in Yoruba land. It's in Hausa land. Is Hausa emirs, Yoruba obas, when they go out, women, men, they stay, they call their names, they sing their praise, they do this was the role, and that's what they are doing. And when you see them, the other man says, Osimina Kata, you are from Obom, the strength of the Apan people, how they move like, even the hair cannot contain them. They move like the hair. They move faster than light. They do this. These are all the things that is done everywhere in Europe. They have people who call their praise in Arabia. So what is paganism about it? That somebody will come to my page to say you are a Muslim, you are joining secretism, you are joining paganism with this one. What is paganism about it? I am Etiabari. I am Amakri Peki. Recognized by King Amakri, recognized by the whole of Kalawar people. So what is the crime in people if it is in other border to claim me? What is wrong with them claiming me? What is wrong with them playing drum in praise of me? How is it paganism? That, so, because I'm a Muslim, I've ceased to be an Ijaw man. I am an Ijaw man. Islam is my religion. Islam is my relationship with God. Islam is my access to God. Islam is my key to God, and I've been satisfied with it. Since 17th of September 1988, I've been satisfied with it. I have not complained. I don't want anybody coming to my DC to come and pontificate and talk nonsense. Do I even care? I say this because I want to clear some doubts in the mind of some innocent people who will be carried away and be deceived by people. Now you took our election. You are from Central Zone. You are president. I've been vice president. I've been deputy president. You can give all sorts of narrative. I've been president. You left Central Zone What was the agenda you came with to implement in the Eastern Zone? That you took ownership of the process that does not belong to you. You took ownership of the process that does not belong to you. You said there was ZECO. You took ZECO power. You are not from Eastern Zone. You came to implement an agenda. And the only way you can implement this agenda, I called you as a young man who is very close to me and my family. I said, please, I beg you, postpone this election. And I know that Sammy John spoke to you. Let tempers go. Why did you move the election from Opopo? Because you cannot realize the agenda you came with. You cannot realize the agenda. So people like Nnamdi who are looking for, if they said Leopard cannot change a spot, who are looking for appointment so they can sell a John Nation. So like the Leopard, she cannot change her spots. She has shown her true color, because when the time comes, people will know. We don't need to say it. She has shown her true color, where she comes from and what she is. You did see the people they wounded, the people they shot, the people, our driver they killed. When did it become a crime for Ijaw people to go to an Ijaw ground, this thing with Asari Caraway? When I joined IYC, the priest of Oswagan was always with us, with his staff. When I joined IYC, the priest of Egbesu at Jamage was always with us. People were going to Ajakurama. People were going to Lotubene, Amatu. People were going to Ekeremo Egbesu. People were going to Arugbo Egbesu. People like Kinsley Kuku were bringing aloe for everybody. My brother, Tompolo, is a priest. So when did it become a crime for an Asari Caraway? Kukurufula was always with us. Every Okele that we are barring, they stand in front. But these guys who came to use or sacrifice to eat, there is nobody who has made the sacrifices I have made to a Ijaw land. Nobody at this time. Nobody. If I don't blow my trumpet, maybe people will not. And that's why they call me Pyramid. Nobody will ever do it. In all Ijaw gathering, if the whole Ijaw people come with 20 vehicles, I come with 100 vehicles. They don't even know where I get the money from. Nobody mobilizes Ijaw people half like I mobilize the Ijaw people at any time. Until today, I carry that goodwill of Ijaw people. There was a time I mobilized the Ijaw people. Vehicles were at Ellen Alimini, they had not left Obakri Junction. The vehicle that we carried were at Ellen Alimini, but some vehicles were still at Obakri Junction. So what was wrong in the Ijaw people going? You came from Central Zone with Central Zonal, Central Zonal officials, Central Zonal Ds to come and deliver the Eastern Ijaw people into captivity. That God has liberated us. You took unknown to Abloma people, unknown to the chiefs, king and chief and all the youths, everybody in Abloma with your ulterior motive. You came to Abloma, you took convention to the after Abloma jetty to the water side, knowing that it is one way in and one way out or by the river. What of the boat you people sank? You burned our boss, you sank our boat. So that we will not leave. And you are boldly saying we will not leave. We warned you before we came there. I told you, when you both said that you are bringing the army, you will crush everybody. You told me, Jonathan Dokubo, that you crushed. And what you told me, I immediately heard, went live. That if anything happened, you should be held responsible. That the Ijaw people will not tie their hand and watch you. And even before we go, as an Ijaw man, I give water to Ijaw people. So it's a crime for me to give water to Ijaw people. I don't drink alcohol. I've never taken alcohol. What was their agenda? What was their motive of going to Abloma? We were all, how did all those guns displayed on the street of Abloma, how did they come out? Definitely, the king of Abloma said, it is not from Abloma people. I have read the statement of the king of Abloma. It's so sad. It's not from Abloma people. So where did I know that certainly the people on injury and this thing, they came from Okrika Island because they are supposedly come from Fenibeso shrine because they were chanting the slogan of Fenibeso on like the aromate you brought, Eleleo that you brought. You also went and acquired people from a potent shrine. From a potent shrine, not from Abloma. You crossed over to Okrika Island, went to the shrine of Fenibeso, and brought warriors from the shrine of Fenibeso with guns, with general purpose machine gun, as displayed by them in the video. Where they were shouting, Adosu, Inyai, 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 Inyai. Because the deity of Abloma, as we all know, is not Fenibeso. The deity of Ogun is not Fenibeso. The deity of Ogoloma is not Fenibeso. Fenibeso is only for Okrika Island. Fenibeso is only for Okrika Island. Look at them. Look at them with the guns. Shooting in Abloma. You are going to demystify me. We are going to demystify Asari and his people. So you did not succeed in demystifying us. They are shouting Jesus, Jesus. Your people are shouting Jesus. Bullet no enter house. You expect bullet to enter house? Will not be job people. Did you expect bullet to enter house? As long as you not go against the laws, bullet no enter house. You killed innocent people for just your agenda, for an agenda that you came to implement as a young man. You soak yourself in the blood of your people and other people. You now bribe people. Look at that woman you brought to act. She said that, but God is always on our side. They shot their son with squadron, the official drink of the Icelanders. She was not around when she came. Her son was shot. He is dead. And she said they brought native doctors. When has it been a crime for Ijaw people to go to somewhere without assigning caraway? How can Ijaw people go to anywhere without purmuring? Even before we go anywhere, everybody, apart from a few of us, they pummel people. I think Ijaw people are listening. They pummel people. We pummel ourselves. We ballet ourselves. We ballet ourselves. We pummel ourselves before we go out. When has it become a crime for Ijaw people to pummel and ballet themselves? To do spiritual cleansing before they go out? When has it become a crime? We're asking you. I'm joining Islam with paganism. I wonder how derogative you can be to where you come from because of an agenda that you brought, that you must achieve. You soak yourself, you drown yourself in the blood of your own people. And you are talking. You think that you have federal mind. You can run to the police. You can run here to go and talk. What was your reason for taking the election here? The army that you brought left you there. If you are killing people, would we not have killed you? The army that you brought left you there. The police left. We secured for 8 hours. Zaman Lekot Cantonment is there. Air Force Base is there. Police Headquarters is there. Mopol 19 is there. Amadama Divisional Police Station is there. Abloma Divisional Police Station is there. Everywhere. For 8 hours, you thought that you will be able to kill us. We chased away all your people out of the venue of the election. We did not disturb you. You continued the election knowing that you have given all the delegates have been given so much money, 300,000, and they were promised more that they will receive a lot after voting. In all this crisis, you did not stop the election. Nobody you didn't stop because you are confident that your agenda will go through. You conducted the election. You want to demystify Asari. You want to fuck up Asari. So your paymasters will be happy with you. You continued with the election for 8 hours. They were shooting non-stop. We secured the parameter, including the one that is running his mouth. They caught him, secured him. Why did they not attack Osmafa and the White? Who is even talking about it? Even they was double dealing. But it was not the person. We have even the boys you hired, the Degban boys you hired at Sekitan from Dio, about 11 of them were with us and we took them back. If we are killing people, we will not kill. They will come and testify the money you pay them. We secured you, Jonathan, with all of you running your mouth there. All your policemen, your escort, they all ran away. We secured the election venue for 8 hours and secured you out of Abloma. And you are running your mouth. You want to escalate crisis in Nigeria land. I, Alhaji Mujahid Dokubo, I made a vow to God that if a German come to fight me, I will run. Ya Allah, today, I am begging you, relieve me from this vow I made from you. Because the burden before me had become too much. The challenge before me had become too much. Ya Allah, relieve me. I beg you. Have mercy on me. Relieve me of the vow I made to you. Bring it on. I heard that you people are planning. You have forgotten 2023, 2024. Bring it on. If before it is 10 you got, now you get 1 million. We went to kill us in October. You brought all cult groups, you paid them, brought them to the venue to kill us. These videos are there. We continue to show it to the world. We are dancing, we are going around without anything. You people attack us the first time, the first video is not there. You attack us the second time, we ran. You attack us the third time, we ran. And when we stood our ground against you, because we are not like those you went to pay money to, that kills at will. We don't kill people. We have a code to follow. We don't kill innocent people. We don't kill our enemy who fall into our hand. Any of our enemy who fall into our hand, we take him to a place where we hand over. Or we, as a job people, we give you people safe passage. If we had fallen into your hands, you would have killed us. That's what you wanted. But we are superior to you. We never condescend to your level. Wallahi billahi biiznillah, I will never condescend to your level. But I have prayed Allah, I will continue to pray. I will do Qiyamullah because of this. I will do Istikhari because of this, to make sure that Allah relieves this burden from me, that I pledged to him in 2004. That if an Ijaw man come to fight me, I will run. Since you have brought war, the war you will get it. The war you brought to kill us, you will get it. Wallahi, I'm promising you. Jonathan Lokobri, I am promising you. You are not looking for federal mind to come and kill us, to come and crush us with your paymasters. Let those who have here have it. I don't look for war. I don't look for trouble. Don't look for my trouble. Because if you look for my trouble, you will never live to give testimony about it. You will never live. As you plot to kill me, you will never live to give testimony. Because my hand will reach you anywhere you go to. I have the capacity to reach you anywhere you go to. Anywhere you go to hide. That I am not boasting. My enemies everywhere know me. They know me, that I have the capacity to reach you anywhere you are.